Hello everyone, this is Hitechtalk. So yesterday I have posted a video how to use music to your Instagram profile, but lots of people or user are facing this issue like they don't have this option. So I have noticed that most of the business account is not having this option. The creator account is having, and even for my iOS device, it I got it yesterday. For my Android, I got these features today. So basically this feature was added yesterday, so it is getting rolled out for all users. So keep checking for a new update and update your Instagram application, and you will get this update as soon as possible. So keep checking for a new update, and also let me know, have you received this new music features or not in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.